How to delete the Telegram app from iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete the Telegram app from your iPhone. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Apps. Now, scroll down and tap on Telegram to view its settings. After that, go back and tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find Telegram again, then tap on it. Now tap on Delete App to remove it completely from your device. You can also choose Offload App if you want to keep its data but free up space. Then, go back to your home screen, find the Telegram app, and press and hold its icon. When the options appear, tap on Remove App. Finally, tap on the Delete app to confirm. This will fully delete the Telegram app from your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.